Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get free hairstyles on Roblox. So you can also do this for items as well, but only for some like games. So there's this one and this one. I think this one is already sold out, but this one has like still hairstyles and like hairs left. So play it. This is a super tedious thing to do, by the way. You'll need to collect at least 125,000 hearts, and I've only gotten up to like 600. Well, not stars, hearts, sorry. I play GTA too much, that's why I thought about stars. But you'll need around 125 stars. There are like simpler games, but there's one. Oh my gosh, I actually forgot to do the quest. It was supposed to be for today, but it's fine. You know what? I'll just get like something next month. But you're basically going to load into this game. It's still loading, but you're going to start collecting hearts. So here, if you go to the store, like here, you'll be able to find like how many like of the hearts that you need for each like hairstyle. So this one you need 135. But these are VIPs, so for the non-VIP ones, you can only get this one for the non-VIP. So you have to get 175,000 hearts. So basically, you just have to run around these streets and collect some hearts. It is super tedious, I must say. But if you have the free time in the world, I say go for it. Listen to music, play a movie, and then collect these hearts. That's how you can claim free items on Roblox. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have no questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, my tip is to go to these like houses when it's like a minute left. Just stay close to it in case someone's there first. But you'll get like more hearts, so I recommend you just staying in the like place here. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.